Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to go over the inspection of the portal gears just to see if there's any grease in them. I know a lot of people who got the first batch of Gen 8s noticed that the portal axle gears were bone dry, no grease at all. I've already opened one up and I've actually found grease. I have not opened these three up yet, and we're just going to take a look. Just for your information, I got my Gen 8 at the end of January, beginning of February. So it was a later batch, and I guess RedCat's been listening, and now they've addressed the issue. Alright, so this is the portal that I've actually opened up already, and I just want to open it back up just to give you guys a good look. Alright, here's a good look. Driver's side front. As you can see, it's been greased. Let's take a look here. Let's see grease inside. So I'll close that up and we'll take a look at the others. Okay, we've just finished checking the driver's side front. I will now be checking the driver's side rear. I have not opened up this one yet, so cross my fingers that they're all greased, and let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, driver's side rear is also greased, so it's a good sign. Looks like they are finally starting to grease all the portal gears before shipping these out. I'll close this up and we'll check the other side. Okay, well, let's take a look at the passenger side front. This one's greased as well, 3 out of 4 so far. Alright, let's go 4 for 4 and check this last portal axle gear set. And this is the passenger side rear. Alright, looks like it's 4 for 4. All of my portal axle gears are greased. Looks like RedCat's keeping an eye out on the Gen 8 owners and taking a look at some issues that might be encountered, and it looks like they rectified this issue in their later batch of Gen 8s. So once again, my batch, or my Gen 8, came from a later batch that was released around the end of January, beginning of February, and it looks like, or at least mine has my portal gears greased. So it's still a good thing to check when you get yours in, but it looks like, you know, it might not be an issue anymore. Thanks for watching.